Today we're showing you a 2015 John Deere 5100E tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with cab heat and air. The tractor comes with a John Deere H240 quick attach front loader. The tractor has 100 horsepower, has just under 700 hours on it. It's got the global style quick attach carry here for your bucket connection. 78-inch heavy duty front bucket. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor. The front work lights on it, mirrors on both sides of the cab. The brand new radial front tires in the front here. Corner post exhaust, mid loader hose connections. Back tires of the 18430s, they're in real nice shape. Couple scuffs here on the rim. Fenders back here do have a little bit of damage. They were broken slightly, so we cut a piece out of here. Doesn't look bad, but it's obviously not quite perfect. Triple rear hydraulics back here. Does have the rear work lights on the cab. 540N, 540E PTO. Telescopic 3-point arms. Stabilizer bars. The toolbox here on the side. A couple scuffs here in the fenders, very minor, but noticeable if you look at it closely. Inside the cab, the tractor's nice and clean. Got the tilt and telescopic steering wheel. Left-hand powered reverser allows you to change direction without clutching. It's got the air ride seat there for the operator. Manual's below the seat there. Loader control over here to the right. You got your two main transmission levers. You got 3 ranges back here. 4 gears up here which are synchronized. Gives you a total of 12 speeds. On the control console, you've got pretty much everything you need to operate the tractor. You got 3 levers here for your hydraulics out the back, 3-point controls, 4-wheel drive switch right there in the center, hand throttle right there within easy reach, PTO engagement back there as well. Up top, you've got the radio, heat and air conditioning controls, rear view mirror, sun visor. Back behind the seat, you've got your 540E PTO selector. And on the floor, you've got the differential pedal, foot throttle, brakes and clutch pedals. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.